Hi, in this video we are going to see about fax services in HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printer. So you can use the printer to send and receive faxes, including color faxes. You can schedule fax to be sent at a later time within 24 hours or set a phone book contact to send faxes quickly and easily to frequently use numbers. And there are many things like you can send a number of faxes. You can change the resolution and the contrast. So in this video we will cover the topics as you can see on the screen: send a fax, receive a fax, set a phone book contacts, change fax settings, fax and digital phone services, fax on voice over internet protocol, use reports, additional fax setup. So let's see first topic, which is send a fax. You can send a fax in a variety of ways depending on your situation or need. So in this topic we will cover these subtopics as well. So send a standard fax. You can send a single page fax, multiple page fax, block and white fax or color fax by using the printer control panel. For important note, you can refer the screen. Now let's see about the receive fax. You can receive faxes automatically or manually. If you will turn off auto answer option, then you must receive the faxes manually. If you turn on auto answer option on, then it will automatically send you faxes. So we will cover these subtopics as well. So let's see about the receive fax manually. When you are on the phone or person you are speaking with can send you fax while you are still connected, you can pick up the handset to talk or listen for fax tones. Now let's see to set up phone book contacts. You can set up frequently used fax numbers as phone book contacts. This lets quickly dial those numbers using the printer control panel. We will cover these subtopics as well. So create and edit a phone book contact. You can store fax numbers as phone book contacts. And to set up phone book contacts, you need to follow these steps as you can see on the screen. Now we will discuss about change fax settings. So after completing the setup in the reference guide that came with the printer, you can also change the fax settings. We will cover these subtopics. So configure the fax header. Fax header prints your name and fax number on the top of the every fax you send. To set or change the fax header, you need to follow these steps which is available on the screen. Now we will discuss about the fax and digital phone services. Many telephone companies provide their customer with digital phone services such as the following. Here DSL, RBX and ISDN and VoIP. So for more information about digital phone services and faxes, you can refer the screen. Fax on voice over internet protocol. You might be able to subscribe to a low-cost phone service that allow you to send and receive faxes with your printer by using the internet. This method is called fax on over internet protocol VoIP. So the following are indicated and probably use a VoIP service. For more information about VoIP services, you can refer the screen contents. Let's move to the next screen, which is last topic of this video, about additional fax setup. After completing all these steps in the getting started guide, use the instruction to complete your fax setup. So this section contains following topics as setup faxing, parallel phone services and test fax setup. So setup faxing parallel phone system. So before setup you need to find out which kind of phone system your country or region uses. Some instructions for fax setup differ depending on whether you have a serial or parallel type phone system. So you can refer the screen for complete information about this setup faxing parallel phone systems. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.